Hello, before starting the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new things about tourism and travel. Hi everyone, and welcome to my Spain travel guide. Spain is a beautiful country with a rich history and culture. There are so many things to see and do in Spain. From exploring the bustling cities of Madrid and Barcelona to relaxing on the beaches of the Costa del Sol. In this video, I will be sharing my top tips for planning your trip to Spain. The best time to visit Spain is during the spring, April, May, or fall, September, October. The weather is mild during these months, and there are fewer tourists. However, if you're looking to experience the vibrant nightlife of Spain, then you might want to visit during the summer, June, August. There are so many amazing places to visit in Spain, but here are a few of my favorites. Madrid, the capital of Spain. Madrid is a bustling city with a rich history and culture. Be sure to visit the Prado Museum, the Royal Palace, and the Retiro Park. Barcelona, the second largest city in Spain. Barcelona is known for its stunning architecture, including the Sagrada Familia and the Parc Güell. Be sure to also visit the Gothic Quarter and the Barceloneta Beach. Seville, the capital of Andalusia. Seville is a beautiful city with a rich Moorish heritage. Be sure to visit the Alcazar, the cathedral, and the Plaza de Espapa. Granada, home to the Alhambra, one of the most beautiful palaces in the world. Granada is a must-visit for any traveler to Spain. Be sure to also visit the Generalife Gardens and the Albaicin district. Costa del Sol, if you're looking for some sun and sand, then the Costa del Sol is the perfect place for you. This stretch of coastline is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Spain. In addition to visiting the many amazing cities and towns in Spain, there are also a number of other things you can do in the country, such as go hiking in the Pyrenees Mountains, surfing in the Basque Country, relaxing on the beaches of the Costa del Sol, shopping in Madrid and Barcelona, trying the local food, attending a flamenco show. The best way to get around Spain is by train. The Spanish train system is efficient and affordable. You can also rent a car, but be aware that traffic can be heavy, especially in the cities. Budget. A trip to Spain can be as expensive or as affordable as you want it to be. If you're on a budget, you can stay in hostels, eat at street food stalls, and use public transportation. However, if you're looking for a more luxurious experience, you can stay in hotels, eat at restaurants, and rent a car. Spain is a beautiful country with a rich history and culture. There are so many things to see and do in Spain that you could easily spend a month there and still not see everything. I hope this video has inspired you to plan your trip to Spain. Finally, do not hesitate to support us to offer you more international places for tourism.